All right, this is Adam. We'll do a cut there. Thank you for joining me. This is Mac Real, one half of Urban Influence, alongside my partner, the Minnesota Butcher, who couldn't make it in tonight. Um, Thank you guys so very much for tuning in and looking forward to these next series of exciting events that we have going on. And leading up into tomorrow, through October 24th through the 28th, is a grueling YouTube 1K challenge hosted by Think Media and Sean Cannell, who's the CEO over there, and his group of experts on growth strategy and uh, tips and things to do on how to grow your channel and prosper on YouTube. So, fortunately, one of the things that we were able to accomplish was that very feat a while back, all by ourselves. So, we're just looking forward to the opportunity to kind of seeing maybe there's something new out there. Always good to pick up a tip or two, and really kind of happy to see what they have up their sleeves. So one of the things that's interesting about it is it's like I said, 5 days on Facebook Live. And it's going to be a first class, all exclusive access of webinar, inside the rope question and answer, daily giveaways to arguably some of the best growth media, YouTube growth strategy experts that are out there. And so, they've done a heck of a job, and I'm definitely going to give them my full attention and see if there's anything that, like I said, something that I can pick up. But we're really looking forward to it. And so the goal of this whole challenge is for people who are trying to legitimately get in to this type of work, if you will, because as you're seeing this shortage of content creators phenomenon is really starting to uh, explode, and the way that the marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and all those things are kind of shifting gear into this whole new phenomenon of the influencer age, and you're seeing that quite a bit actually, and so that's one of the goals, is that these guys are the kindness of their heart going to give away some of their inside strategies, tips, and secrets. I'll be doing the same as well. Our channel is already monetized, and we're good to hook. So the first 1,000 subs is obviously the most difficult aspect, and one of the first things that you have to get in order to be able to have a monetized channel and become a member of the YouTube Partner Program. So it's a feat to try to get 1,000 subscribers, and for people who feel like they don't have any sort of um, camera presence or online presence, there's so many different ways that you can matriculate around that with tech nowadays, and so we're gonna dive into all that next week. And one of the things that's really, really going to be fun for me is the competition going up against some of these creators that are just massive. They're huge following, and they're trending, they're rising, and so that's kind of be a little a little thing between those of us who already have monetized channels. Is let's the goal is to raise the first $1,000 online. And that's so the first 1,000 subs, and can you make $1,000 online in five days of grueling webinars and daily giveaways and things like that. So I'm looking forward to it, and there's some showcase our talents, our skill sets. There are literally 1,000 ways to make money online, and so I got a few tricks of my own. Up my sleeve. So if it ends up being a popularity contest, I'm out. I can see you guys got that, but it's one of the things that I've been able to do is kind of slide under and really study the boring side of it actually, and utilize all the assets that I have available to me, and we'll go through all that fun stuff throughout the series of this next week, and knock out a bunch of videos. So if you'll notice, here's the first method of choice that I'm coming out swinging. The very first method I'm choosing to use here on a way to make money online is I'm going to use the form of sponsorship. And so that's why you're seeing Jansen Drywall right there. You're seeing Stickman generously donated, sponsored this segment here to the tune of $280. So man, thank you so much. I super appreciate your support. Thanks, man. That's an honor. I being close, with Urban Influence. If I ever did have to wear another person's clothes, it would be yours. So thank you so very much for your generous donation, and I hopefully will be able to do some great things with it, and we'll go from there. And so now that that's so we're $280 into it already. So shots are fired, and then so next week we're going to or not next week, I'm sorry. So the next video, we're going to hop over to Amazon and just see if I can deliver a knockout punch right out of the gates first thing tomorrow, and hit that $1,000 and show you guys how we can do that as well. And I'm not doing this for myself. The money that I make here, the sponsorship money, this is all going to get reinvested back into the army of soldiers, digital warriors, digital ninjas that we're trying to show and teach and educate on how to do this for free, and on some of our own methods and our own platforms. So all that, what we have here, win, lose, or draw, this money's going to go back to them, and we're gonna grow, and we're gonna continue to grow, and we're gonna continue to be a force. And so that being said, we'll see you on Amazon. Thank you so very much. Peace.